What are you doing? Really?
Watch my boom. Jim's right next to you. Slide off the back.
Getting warm out here.
Nice, dude.
Oh, he took his shirt off right at the right time.
I'm sorry. So, are those boats over there?
Yep. Looks like a tug and a barge. That looks like it might lighten up for you.
Hard to hand off. Whoops, you're doing. I'm hoping it's not. Coming up to you. Going double. It's the double.
Is it double or hooked up?
Yeah, it's double.
Maybe not. Maybe not. It looks like a double. That one took off too hard. I thought so too. That one just took off hard. That was just the wrong one. You think it's fine.
Is that skate?
Nope.
It is how?
Might be another one down there.
It's not as big as. Is it as big as mine?
Take that for a second. Hold it.
Darn it.
Got it. Okay, let's get this around here. Okay, take that.